Former EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu has rubbished claims that he was poached by the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, asserting instead that he independently chose to align himself with the new political force. In a candid interview with the SABC News on Wednesday, Shivambu opened up about his departure from the Economic Freedom Fighters, his decision to join Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and the tensions brewing between the two parties, and said, "I am the one who made the decision to join Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. I was not recruited. I approached the leadership and said I wanted to be an ordinary member because I believed even as an ordinary member I could contribute to the growth of the organization." Shivambu, who stepped down from his leadership post in the EFF following the 2024 national and provincial elections, said his move was motivated by Umkhonto we Sizwe Party's ideological foundations and his long-standing commitment to leadership, which began in his early 20s. In a striking comment, Shivambu insisted that while the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party has the capacity to destabilize the EFF by recruiting its senior members, such a move is not on their agenda, and said we could successfully do it. By the way, including recruitment national officials, many of them, when we previously engaged them, understood why it had to be that way. Even at provincial and regional level, it could be done, but we are not on a mission to destroy the Economic Freedom Fighters. Instead, Shivambu argued that the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party seeks to foster a broader political and ideological dialogue aimed at unity rather than division among progressive African movements. However, the EFF leader Julius Malema has taken a hard stance, accusing the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party of attempting to undermine and dismantle the EFF from within. His remarks reflect deepening fractures between the two radical left parties, both of which advocate for economic emancipation and black empowerment, but now appear on diverging paths. Political commentators have described the breakdown in relations between the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and Economic Freedom Fighters as a missed opportunity for progressive politics in South Africa. Professor Siphe Siphe, speaking to IOL News, said the lack of unity between the two parties weakens efforts to uplift African communities, and said only parties willing to humble themselves will have a possibility of enjoying future support. Africans have rejected the politics of upmanship. In the final analysis, the people will decide. Echoing similar sentiments, political analyst Professor Zikelele Breakfast recalled how the EFF and ANC once found common ground in their shared discontent with President Cyril Ramaphosa, a relationship famously sparked when Malema tweeted his desire to have a tea with the former President Jacob Zuma. But little did he realize he would be betrayed. Alluding to Shivambu's surprise defection, as it now it seems there is a broken heart within the EFF after losing one of its prominent leaders, Floyd Shivambu. Shivambu's move to Umkhonto we Sizwe Party was followed by the resignations of several other senior Economic Freedom Fighters figures, including Advocate Dali Mpofu, Mzwanele Manyi, who has been recently booted out as the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party chief whip. He was replaced by the MK Party Member of Parliament, Colin Makubele, and Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, all of whom have since joined the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi also left the Economic Freedom Fighters, though he opted for a different path and now hosts the Power Talk Show on Power FM. Julius Malema also indirectly reacted after the Secretary General of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, Shivambu, said he could destroy the EFF if he wants to. He reposted a video captioned, "He is trying to cause chaos and cast doubt on the EFF leadership again. His first attempt to infiltrate was an epic fail. He must move on. We are tired now." As South Africa's political landscape continues to shift, the emergence of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and the realignment of prominent figures like Shivambu suggest a reconfiguration of power within the country's leftist movement. Whether this leads to renewed ideological unity or continued fragmentation remains in the hands of the electorate.
No one who is destroying the Economic Freedom Fighters. If there was an intention to do so, we could have a program to recruit members of the EFF to join the Umkhonto we Sizwe, which we can successfully do, by the way, including the national officials of the EFF. We can be able to recruit them because a lot of them, when we appraised them before we joined the MK, as understood squarely and fairly well why it had to be done in that particular way, including provincial and regional leaders. It can be done, but we're not in a mission of trying to destroy the EFF. We're in a mission of having a political and ideological organizational decision and discussion as to how do we unite all the progressive forces. We're having, by the way, there's a model that we have had discussion with.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.